Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. So VeChain is also coming down. It really is now in need of finding support. So far we are still within the current scenario that could generate a third wave to the upside above the recent highs, so above 3.3 cents. If we get a turnaround here, by the way, we don't have a signal for that yet, but if we get a turnaround here, target in a possible third wave to the upside would be 4.7 cents. But obviously risk is increasing in terms of probabilities of working out the lower we go in the support area. So far, no reversal signal has been generated. So we just need to keep an open mind on, or we keep watching for possible reversal signals. But until we get a signal, which means a 5-wave move up, the trend is clearly down. Yeah, and the risk here of breaking the support area gets higher. I've now added the 88.7 fib level because if we lose current support, which is this previous low from January, then the 78.6 fib level at 1.9 cents is going to be next support, and below that level we're looking at 1.7. Below that level we come back to the January lows at around 1.53, and then yeah, we are going to make new bear market lows, which would take it possibly back into this trend channel. And yeah, I mean, then we're talking about prices of maybe even a cent, but we would need to look at that. And then maybe, yeah, maybe this is just our wave 4 and we come down in a 5, but this is too early to confirm. Yeah, that's why we have the different levels of confirmation. In Elliott wave, we need the 5 waves up. You could argue we have 5 waves up, and we need the correction to hold the wave to a higher low, and then we can look at a third wave up. But as long as we don't get a signal here, we are focusing further on the downside in the short term. Yeah, but this is a perfect trend reversal area where ideally in a wave 2, which this could be, the trend shift is happening. But so far I don't see much. Okay, we see an initial small green candle down there, but it's not substantial enough yet. So this is a possible trend reversal area. As you know, we've hit support. Next support below this is 1.9 cents. That's the next pivot. And below that, 1.73. Below 1.9, if we sustain there, I am going to be in favor of further downside and possibly even retesting and breaking the 30th of December lows. As you know, below the 78.6 fib. If we sustain there, then these setups get extremely questionable. Now they can still work out, but understand for your risk management as well that probabilities are shifting towards downside potential then. That doesn't mean they couldn't still rally, because what could very much happen is that you're going to see something like, I don't know, here a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. You could get a 4 and a 5, so you could still see a bit of a rally. But I would need to look into that as we get a bit more clarity if we're going to hold this or not. For now, this move down, I mean, I would, if I was to count this in a bearish way, I would have to look at this as a wave 1, then here the wave 2, and then we are now probably, in a third wave. Possibly had here another 1-2 setup. I would need to look into that in detail, but it certainly wouldn't look finished. So it would eventually have to lead either directly to a new low, or we're doing something like this, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if we do something like this, it would take it down a lot. Okay, so yeah, let's see. We are now very deep in support, and we already, as I said yesterday, see some warnings that some coins are failing their support levels. For example, Rune, we had Aave, and these warnings need to be acknowledged and be considered. Okay, so as I said, no low has been identified yet. Still in line with Bitcoin Ethereum, I would look at one more low, but then the problem is that we are at risk of breaking that 78.6 fib level. Okay, that's my update about VeChain. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.